Do you have a free table?
Yes, of course, miss. Where would you like to sit?
Near the pool, please.
Okay, miss. Follow me this way, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
Yes, miss. Here you are. What is your order?
A delicious nasi goreng, please.
Yes, of course, miss. What would you like to drink?
A glass of cappuccino, please.
Yes, of course. Would you like anything else, miss?
No, that's all, thank you.
Here is your nasi goreng and a glass of cappuccino, miss. I hope you enjoy your meal, miss.
Waiter, can you come here, please?
Yes, can I help you?
Can I have the bill?
Yes, of course, miss. Just a moment. Here you are.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, of course. I hope you will come again, miss.
Thank you so much. Good morning.
Morning.